up, you guys? Shadow Coy's PM here, aka North 3 Wolf is PM. Sorry about the lighting, but I got faygo firework. Got it on Amazon. Let's see how this tastes. This time I remember to open it slowly. Oh, that smells good. It smells like a bomb pop. It's not bad. This is actually really good. Holy shit. It tastes kind of like squirt, and it has a sweetness to it. It's like squirt, and it's like ice cream. Has a bomb pop picture on it, and it's 2 in 1. Look at this. It's pretty sick. Oh my god, this is so amazing. This is not bad, bro. This is actually really, I might have to buy more. This is just too good, but I'd rather just buy some other flavors. This is actually really help. This is actually really good. Alright. Like, subscribe, favorite. It's lighting, I swear to God. Shadow Coy out.